how to hard reset the forgotten PIN or password on the original Samsung Galaxy S device. So here uh, we don't remember the password anymore. It's been too long. So let's first switch off the device by press and hold on the power button on the side here. Then from the power menu, select power off. Once the phone switch off, we're going to press on the volume up button and then the home button. So press on both keys. So press and hold on both keys, volume up plus the home button. After that, you press on the power button. So here, let's do it now. So press and hold on volume up and home key, then press and hold on the power button. And then let go. Here we go into the Android system recovery. Next, we use the volume down button and we go down and we wipe data or factory reset and press on the home button to select. Then we press on it down, to press down until you see it say yes, delete or use the data. Then press on the home button and then we need to confirm the password. Okay, so after a minute try of the incorrect password, it says password do not match. If you try to wipe data and factory reset, you lose all your data on the SD card. And here I'm just going to tap on OK, and then it says formatting. So formatting data, formatting database, deleting metadata, wipe cache, complete. And then we're going to reboot system now. Press on the home button to reboot the system now. So if you ask for a password, you can keep entering the wrong password, and after shortly, it will allow you to proceed with the reset. Okay, now the phone is booting up. Here we can go ahead and set up the phone again. And say insert the SIM card. So I'll tap on skip. Then tap on here, say tap any text field to open keypad. So we can tap on next. Then tap on next. Then now tap on next. And then just keep tapping on next until you're finished. And that's it. So now we're back to the home screen. And that is how you can reset the forgotten PIN or password on your Samsung Galaxy S device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And this method still works in the year 2025. Thank you for watching.